6 acceptances arrive, each with a financial aid letter, and none of them can be compared with any of the others. Every college words the same money differently. Several file loans and a campus job under the same heading as the grants. This workbook puts all 6 on one honest footing. 11 tabs and 4 guides, in Excel, in Google Sheets, and in LibreOffice. One workbook that does the arithmetic and 56 pages of documents that explain it. No account, no subscription, nothing that expires. If you work in Sheets, there is no import step, and nothing gets lost in translation. One click on Make a Copy, and the whole thing lands in your drive, built and tested in Sheets, with every dropdown and every formula already working. Here's the reason this exists. In the example the file opens with, the college whose letter claims the lowest cost turns out to be the third most expensive of the 6 once the borrowing is repaid. The workbook answers the question twice and tells you when the 2 answers disagree. 81 award letter wordings, each mapped to what the line really is and what it does to what you will pay. You pick the wording from a list rather than judging it yourself. 9 catch-all entries cover anything the dictionary has not seen. Enter each letter, line by line, 1 column per college. The category and the loan product fill themselves in, and the totals sort the offer into what it actually is. Money you keep, money you have to earn, and money you have to repay. This is the rule the whole file rests on. Grants and scholarships come off the price. A loan does not, because a loan is not a discount, it is a decision to pay later with interest. Work study does not either, because work study is a job. The degree takes 4, and the later years rarely look like the first. Costs rise, merit awards live or die by each college's own renewal rule. 1 year outside scholarships fall away. The projection carries all of that forward, college by college. Every loan in the plan gets priced. The origination fee that comes off before the money reaches the college. The monthly payment, the total with interest, for the student and for the parents separately, at the published rates for the coming award year. Federal loans are capped by law, by the year, and across the whole degree, and Parent Plus now has ceilings of its own. The workbook fills each year in the order the rules actually allow, then tells you plainly which colleges only close with private debt. Everything the household puts in, everything the student earns, and every loan payment until the debt is gone, added up and put in order. Beside it, the same 6 ranked the way the letters would have you rank them. 12 plain language checks on what you entered. The lines that do not reconcile to the letter's own total, the costs left at 0 that the letter probably omitted. The renewal question you have not answered yet. 4 guides that teach the method rather than just the file, and 17 dated figures listing where every rate, fee, and cap came from, and whether it is a published number or our own stated assumption. 1 file, bought once, that you own outright and can open again for the next child. No subscription, no account, nothing that quietly expires. A planning tool, not financial advice. From Ardent Workshop.